Find or read reviews that people are talking about HAOYUYAN wireless earbuds Bluetooth headphones, 80 hours playback earbuds. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Sports comfort and IPX7 waterproof. BX17 wireless headphones designed with elastic and soft ear hooks. These Bluetooth sports earbuds stay securely in place and provide ultimate comfort even during extended workout sessions. The earphones come with 3 different sizes of ear tips, ensuring a perfect fit for various ear sizes. With an IPX7 waterproof rating, they effectively resist water splashes and sweat, making them ideal for sports, fitness, workouts, and running. Fast pairing and wide compatibility. BX17 wireless earbuds built-in Hall switch. Headphones wireless Bluetooth will auto-power on and connect with your last device once you open the charging case after first connection, which is faster and more convenient. ENC noise cancelling earbuds and immersive stereo. BX17 earbuds have strong 14.3mm speakers driving units and in-ear acoustic structure support, which produces a strong bass and bright treble. The unique acoustic design of the cavity room, balanced internal and external air pressure, avoid sound loss, ensure stable sound and penetrating power. Even in a noisy environment can provide clear voice detection. You can enjoy your personal space whether you are indoors, work or exercise. Upgraded 80 hours playtime and LED power display. BX17 upgraded Bluetooth earbuds with a longer battery charging case. It has 15 hours more playtime than BX17 first generation. Up to 80 hours of total listening time in turn. One earbud can be used for 15 hours on one charge. The case can provide extra 8 times the full charge for earbuds. The earbuds wireless Bluetooth earbuds with a dual digital power display case, easy to know the remaining power in real time while opening or closing the case. Type-C fast charging and intuitive button touch controls. Our wireless charging case can be used with a fast Type-C cable. The button control feature provides a hassle-free user experience. With just one touch, you can always be in control of your audio experience, easily controlling music playback, adjusting volume and managing calls. All at your fingertips. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.